Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log out of Google on Safari. So it's pretty simple. You want to open up your Safari and go to google.com, which is the official website of Google. And if you have already logged in into your Google account in Safari, your Google's profile picture is going to be shown at the top right corner of your screen. What you want to do is click on that picture now. From over here, you can see the option called sign out. Just click on sign out and you will be logged out from your Google account just like this. But remember, just because you log out from your Google account doesn't mean your Google's info is going to be logged out. For that, you need to click on sign in again at the top right. And from over here, you can see the option called remove an account. Click on remove an account, and right beside your account, you can see the minus button. Click on it. Over here, click on yes, remove, and the email will be removed. So that is how you guys can log out of Google on Safari and also remove your Google's information which is stored on Safari. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.